Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to invest in iShares ETFs from India. If you're an Indian investor looking to diversify your portfolio with these popular exchange-traded funds from BlackRock, you're in the right place. iShares ETFs are a fantastic way to gain exposure to global markets, but navigating the process from India can seem tricky. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. First off, let's quickly cover what iShares ETFs are. They are a range of ETFs managed by BlackRock, designed to track various indices like the S&P 500 or emerging markets. For Indian investors, the key is understanding the regulatory landscape. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and SEBI have guidelines, so you'll need to use the Liberalized Remittance Scheme, LRS, for foreign investments, which allows up to $250,000 per year. Step 1. Educate yourself. Research iShares ETFs on BlackRock's website to find ones that match your goals, like growth or income. Step 2. Choose a reliable brokerage. Options include international brokers like Interactive Brokers or local ones with global access, such as CC or HDFC Securities. Make sure they support foreign exchanges. Next, open an account. This involves KYC verification, which means submitting your PAN card, Aadhaar, and bank details. Once approved, fund your account using your LRS quota, transfer money via your bank for Forex conversion. Now, for the exciting part, investing. Log in. Search for the iShares ETF ticker, like IVV for iShares Core S&P 500, and place your order. Remember, costs like brokerage fees and currency conversion charges will apply. Before you dive in, consider the risks. Currency fluctuations between the INR and USD can impact your returns, and there are tax implications under Indian laws. Always consult a financial advisor to tailor this to your situation. There you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started. Investing in iShares ETFs can supercharge your portfolio, but patience and research are key. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Happy investing!